Hello guys, there we have a OPPO A57s, and today I will show you how you can rearrange widgets and icons on your home screen. So you start from the widgets. To add some widget, just hold your finger on the home screen and click here. Now just choose your new widget and drop it on your home screen. Choose the desired place. And now you can change it. If you want to resize it, just hold your finger on it and choose the new size of your widget. And that's it. If you want to make a folder on your home screen, just hold your app and drop on other app. You can change the folder name here. And that's it. If you want to change icon style, hold your finger again and click on the icons. Now you can change the icon style, choose the new shape of it, increase or decrease the foreground, and the icon size. Now you can turn off app names, or leave it, and choose the size of names. How you can see now our icons are rounded. If you want to change the colors of icons here on this app menu, just go to the settings, tap on personalization and tap on colors. You can see that you can change the colors of your system icons. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscriber, comment, and goodbye.